If you got some extra ripe bananas laying around, let me show you something delicious you can do with them. I made this high protein chocolate chip banana bread, and it's oil-free, wheat-free, and refined sugar-free. And the taste is absolutely delicious. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, of course, we're going to start with some bananas. Now, these bananas are somewhat ripe. You could use bananas that are a lot more ripe than these. So if you have some extra ripe bananas laying around, this would be a great recipe for using them. We're going to use some chocolate chips. Now, if you want to see the brand of chocolate chips that I use that don't have any refined sugar, don't have any oil, super clean and organic, you can check my app for that at hveating.com. We're going to be using some oat flour. We're going to be using some protein powder to give a boost of protein. Now, the protein powder I use, you've heard me say it before, is Complement. When I want to make a protein smoothie or anything that's high protein, this is my choice because it's organic, it's super clean, it has an excellent amino acid profile. It's the protein powder that I use all the time. We're going to use some cashew butter. We're going to use some date syrup, some baking soda and baking powder. If you're someone who doesn't like baking soda or baking powder, doesn't use it, you can still make this bread. It's going to be a lot denser, not as light, not as fluffy. So, if that's okay with you, then you can omit the baking soda, baking powder. On my HV app, again, I talked about it with the chocolate. Also, baking soda and baking powder is something that I address, clean versions and even a homemade version. So you can check out my app again for that. We're going to use some cinnamon, and then we're going to use some vanilla bean powder. You've heard a common theme lately in my videos. If you've been watching, vanilla bean powder is the way to go. You could use vanilla extract for this, but the powder carries the flavor better and doesn't have the alcohol, doesn't have the glycerin, just one ingredient, super healthy. So these are the ingredients we're going to use to make this delicious, healthy vegan chocolate chip banana bread, high protein, of course. Let's start putting it together. All right, so now the first thing I'm going to do to make this banana bread is get my bananas mashed up and measured for our recipe. So why make your own banana bread? Well, box mixes like this one, as well as ready-made banana breads, come with a lot of unnecessary ingredients like cornstarch, artificial vanilla flavor, and refined sugar. This mix has double the ingredients I use when I make my own. Okay, so now I've got my wet ingredients mixed up. I'm going to set them aside, and now we're going to combine our dry ingredients and then get them mixed really well also. For this recipe, I'm using oat flour that I ground myself, so it's a little less fine than store-bought. If you're using store-bought, you can reduce the oat flour measurement by a couple of tablespoons. Okay, so now I've got my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients mixed. I've blended those. Now it's just a matter of folding in my chips and then getting our mixture into the pan and into the oven. So once we have the chocolate chips added and folded into the batter, we're going to transfer the batter into a standard size loaf pan that's lined with parchment paper. Lining it with parchment paper will make it easy to lift our loaf out of the pan to cool once it's done baking. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. All right, so we are done with our banana bread. As you can see, it's looking good, and I can tell you that it's smelling good in here. Now let's give it a try, for you, of course. I can tell this is going to be good. This does not disappoint. This would also be good with raisins or walnuts if you prefer. The chocolate chips, though, are definitely on point. This is delicious banana bread. Gotta make your own.